Hello friends, welcome back, and today we are going to cover writing your own tunes to a given rhythm. So we have to make our own tunes and they have given the rhythm, so we have to convert that in a tune. So you can see, let's go to the first question straight away. Writing a tune for oboe using the notes of the tonic triad in B minor to a given rhythm, use a key signature and finish on the tonic. Okay, so first thing is we have to remember the instrument in our mind, that's oboe. We have to remember, and then second, so according to this we have to make the clef. So oboe we comes under your treble clef. So let's make the treble clef first. Okay, so now this is our clef. So now we have to put the key signature. So key signature is B minor. So B minor we know is two sharps. One is F sharp and C sharp. Okay, and then we have to put the time signature, that is 7/8, and now we have to write our rhythm tune. So let's put the bar line first here. So let's start, and we have to remember that we have to use the tonic triad notes. So first of all, we have to check what are the tonic triad notes. So B, C, D, E and F. So these are the three notes we have to make the tune with. So let's start with the B first, and remember we have to finish it with the tonic as well. So we can, no matter we start from here or not, but we have to finish on B here. But we'll start also with B. So we'll make a B first, then we'll go to D. Okay, then we'll go to F, then let's again make F, and then we go to D. Okay, and then let's make again a D, then let's go to F, and let's finish with B. Okay, so let's make the stem here, let's make it downwards. Okay, come down, come down. This is okay. Okay, so here we finished our tune. Okay, so we have we made our key signature. We have made the clef because oboe played on the treble clef. We have the time signature. We have used the notes of tonic triad of B minor, and we have finished on our topic on B. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. So next one is write a tune of viola using the first 5 degree of the scale D. So we have to use instrument viola, first 5 degrees D major to a given rhythm, use a key signature and finish on topic. So viola is, you know, is higher than slightly bigger size than your violin, so that comes under your alto clef. Okay, yep. So this is our clef. Now we have to check the key signature. They're talking about D major, so D major is our two sharps, but you have to put according to this clef. Now this is C, D, E, F. So this is our F, and this is C. Okay, now we put the time signature, that is 5/4, and now we're gonna make, now we have to use the first 5 degrees of D major. So first 5 degrees will be D, E, F, G and A, right? Let's make the bar line first. Okay, now let's start with a minim note, that is, let's start with E. Okay, so this is C. Now before C we have to check where is our E. So we're gonna go there or we're gonna go there. So let's start This is our C, A. Let's start with the A. So let's start with A, okay? And we'll see what all notes we have covered. So A, yep. Then let's go to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's go to this G. Yep. Then let's come down from G. Okay, so this is C, D, E. Let's use E. Then let's use we cannot use C because that's not, so we have covered. This is G, this is E, F, G. Now let's go to F note here. Okay, and let's come down slightly. So we have covered D note. No, we have not done the D note yet, right? So we have to make the D note. So let's come to D note here, and then let's go to our A again. Okay, then from A let's go to E. So let's go to G. So this time you're gonna use the lower G. Okay, lower, this is, sorry, minim note. Okay, and then from here we're gonna go back up. So this is G. We have not used F, so let's one F here. No, we have used F there as well. Let's see, let's make F here. Let's go back up, F. Let's use A, and let's use our D here, and then finish with the D only. Okay, so let's make this. So we go up, yeah, we can go down with this one we go up. Let's go down with these three, and let's go up. Let's triplet them. So now let's check we have covered all the notes or not. So this is our A note. Let's write it down. This is A, and this is C, D, E, F, G. This is C, D, E. This is C, D, E, F. This is D. This is our A. Yep, this is our G. This is F. This is A. This is D and D. So we have covered all the notes of first five notes of D major scale. Okay, now let's move to the next question. The next question you can see is saying that write a tune for bassoon using the notes of the tonic triad. So bassoon is an instrument. We have to use a tonic triad, B flat major, key signature, finish on the tonic. Okay, so B flat major, we know that 2 flat are the keys, that is your B and E. Next is bassoon. So bassoon is played, it's a heavy sound instrument, so that means it's more of bass. So we have to put a bass clef over here for bassoon. Let's put the key signature. So key signature is B flat. So this is our B flat and E flat. So B, C, D, E flat. Okay, now let's put the time signature. This is 6/8. Okay, and that means we need 2 dotted crochet beat value in 1 bar. So we're going to start with this offbeat first. Yeah, sorry, the syncopation here. So let's start with this. So let's first tonic triad. So that is B, D and F only. So we're going to make with the B. Let's start with the B here. So we're going to go B, beat here with the B. Let's make a bar line. Let's go to D. then we can go to F, then we can go to, this is F, G, A, B. We can go B here again. Then we can come back to, so we are taking another B, one octave higher B. Okay, yeah. Then we can go to D here, and we can go to B again. Then we can put a bar line. Yep, and then we can go play B again. No, let's play D, and then we're gonna play F, and we finish one octave higher on this B. Okay, so let's make the stems. So we go up, then we come down, this is dotted, it's down, let's move up, go down, down, and down. So we have covered all the notes of tonic triad of B flat major, and this is how we finish our this chapter as well. The question 5th is, look at the tunes you have written and add some musical words and symbols that you know. Also see page 55 for those for grade 4. So this question you can do on your, you can check page number 55 and just practice that and just use it over here. Okay, so now I will see the next topic. Thank you guys for your love and your support, and keep liking and subscribe and keep supporting. I'll see you in the next topic now. Till then, thank you.